Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. In this video, we're going to show you how to do the Florida Annual Report or the Florida Annual Renewal for your Florida LLC, corporation, and even your nonprofit. Because for each one of these entities, the process of doing the Florida Annual Report is the same. Now remember, if you have a Florida LLC, corporation, or a nonprofit, every year you have to file your Florida Annual Report before May 1st. If you don't file on or before May 1st, the state of Florida will give your LLC, corporation, or nonprofit a $400 penalty. So make sure that you file your Florida Annual Report on or before May 1st of every year. So let's get into the content. So basically the first step, you need to go to this website, sunbiz.org. This is the website where you do your Florida Annual Report. So once you go to the website, this is the homepage. Make sure you're in the right website because there's a lot of scams out there, sunbiz.org. Once you get to this page, you click here on search records. When you click on search records, it's going to take you to this page. See, we are now in search records, and now you're going to click name. We're going to search the records by name. You click name and it takes you to this page. Here you're going to look for your business. So here where it says entity name, you write down your LLC, corporation, or nonprofit name, and you click search now. When you click search now, it takes you to a list. It gives you a list of every Florida LLC, corporation, nonprofit that has a similar name to your name of your business. So you look for your business name and you click on it. In this case, for privacy, I blocked out the name of the business we're using. But here you click your business name. And when you click your business name, it takes you to your business Sunbiz profile. Now, it is important that now you check that this is your business, because there may be a business that has a similar name than yours. So you want to make sure that here you see your business name, here you see your address, here you see your mailing address, and if you scroll down, you're going to see your name as the owner. So make sure this is your business name. In this page, we're going to take a look at this document number. There's going to be a document number here. That number, you are going to copy it. So copy your business document number, not the EIN number. The document number, you copy it. Copy your document number. And when you copy your document number, you go then and click here on top where it says divisions of corporations. When you click there, it's going to take you to this page. And in this page, you click on manage, change existing business. And from the drop down, you click File Annual Report. When you click File Annual Report, it's going to take you to this page. And in this page, you basically click here to file your annual report. So you click there. And here, remember the document number that we copied from our business profile page? That number, you paste it here. Document number, you paste it, and then you click submit. Then this is where you're going to start your Florida Annual Report. Okay, here you're going to see your business name, your document number, and this is the fee that you are going to pay. Depending if you have a Florida LLC, a Florida corporation, or a Florida nonprofit, this fee is different. Okay, also, here you're going to see your EIN number. Now, if it's the first year that you're filing your Florida Annual Report, most probably your EIN number is still not here. If the EIN number is not here, then you basically click here where it says edit EIN number, and you add your IRS EIN number for your business, okay? So here you're going to see your address, your mailing address, your registered agent, the business owners. Now, this is a good time if you want to change your business address, if you want to change the names of the owners, if you want to change the registered agent. This is a good time to do it. You basically just, let's say you want to change your address. You click edit address and put the new address. So you can make those changes while you're doing your Florida annual report without having to file for a Florida amendment. So this is a good time to make those changes. Now, when you go down, it's going to ask you if you want a certificate of status. If you say yes, it's going to cost you an additional fee, but most likely you won't need a certificate unless there's an agency asking for the certificate. Then you click move on to the final review. You click move on to the final review. Here, you're going to review again that your information is correct. So verify business name, verify your EIN number is correct, verify that your address is correct, verify that all the business owners are listed with their correct address, verify your registered agent. Here you cannot make changes, but you can verify that the information is correct. If you see that there's something that needs to be changed, towards the bottom, it's going to ask you, is all the above information correct? If you want to edit something, you click no, continue editing, and it's going to take you back to the previous page where you can make edits. If not, you scroll down and you're going to see this part. Here, you're going to put your email. You re-enter your email. You put one of the business owner's name and the title, okay? Now, the name and the title need to be put here the same way it appears on the website. In the previous page, how your name appeared as the owner, that's how it needs to be put here. So if you put all of your last names, you got to put all of your last names here as well. And the title as well. Whatever title you have on your business, that's how you need to put your title here. If not, it will not allow you to move forward. So once you put your name and your title, you click on move on to payment section. Here you click this green button in the bottom. So now it takes you to payment. So here's going to tell you the amount you're going to pay, and you can pay via credit card, check, or somebody's e-filing account. Usually pay with a credit card or a debit card, preferably your business debit card or your business credit card. So let's say you click credit card. Here you basically put your name, your address of the credit card, basically, your email. Here it's going to ask you for the credit card information, expiration date, security code, the name on the card. You click next. You process the payment. Basically, this is the payment receipt that you have paid this amount. You can print your receipt here. And when you click in the bottom, finish, is going to take you to the final confirmation page. Now, how do you check if it's done or not, or how can you get a confirmation document? You go, once you get to the final confirmation page, you go back and you click on divisions of corporations. When you click there, again, it's going to take you to the SunBiz homepage. You click again, you click search records, click name, search your business name again, click search now, click on your business name. That goes to your business profile. You scroll all the way down. All the way down, you're going to see this. These are all the annual reports you've done every year. You click on the last one. You can click here, or even you can click here. This is going to take you to the exact same page. And here you see your confirmation page in PDF, which you can download and you can keep for your records. Here's going to tell you that the annual report was done this date, and this is your confirmation that it was done. And you're done. That's how you do your Florida LLC annual report, not only for your LLC, but for your corporation and for your nonprofit as well. So thank you for watching this video. If you have received value out of this video, like it and share it with another person that can take advantage of this information. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye-bye.